good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Lorenzo from above. I like to do video and photography using my drone and also my DJI Osmo 6, which is a handheld gimbal. It's part of my technology. And I sometimes, if I remember, put on my DJI Mic Mini 2. That's presently on now. I have remembered this time. Today is about, I thought I'd be bringing, because of the weather's not been great in the UK, so it's been a bit hit and miss whether we can drone or not. But I have got some land development footage to bring to you today, and you can jump straight to that in the description below. And what I've been doing over the last, really about 18 months or so, I've been doing progress of a new housing estate that's being built around the Chichester area, West Sussex, United Kingdom. And I thought, well, I've got to compile it anyway for the project group, Highgrove Group. So I thought, well, why not? As I compiled it, I'm going to add some music on it because I don't do that for the project group. Some overlay of the analysis that's being seen from above. So what we do is I'm going to add some music to this, my own compilation of the footage over the last year or so, and I'm going to bring that to you now. So please feel free to have a look at what's happened over the last year or so, and then you can see the development, the evolution of it going from nothing, bare ground, to foundations, to structured walls, and then you're now seeing houses that are there built presently, with some show homes as well available online. And I'll actually leave a link in the description with the show homes, the actual property, if you wish to view that. So further ado, let's get on with today's video, which is the land development site. have liked this video today, it's always appreciated if you leave a comment. I will reply back to you. But please feel free to like as well and subscribe. It's totally free and it does help me out. So that's always appreciated. As always, thank you for watching today. Lorenzo.